I sent you over my channel, Aiden. Oh, ask to unmute. Go ahead, Aiden, my man.
So basically, I had a channel last year which got monetized, like Mystery of Ancient Egypt, which was doing really well.
Mm-hmm.
Then I decided to post other people's shorts,
Yeah,
and YouTube linked the two channels together and took them both down.
yeah.
I decided this year I was going to come back and do it. It's proven a little bit more difficult, but if anybody's just starting, you've just got to keep pushing, but not try and figure out how far you want to take it with that certain niche. I'm on the verge of sort of figuring out if I'm going to leave it or not leave it. I'm still got another 5 or 6 videos I need to upload to see how they do before I make a decision. But you just got to keep pushing and keep researching what your competitors are doing,
Yeah,
and you should be okay in the long run. Really, I think personally.
for sure. It's in the end, like, of course, you can influence it depending on your niche and the quality of your videos. But in the end, it's still a numbers game, just like with any other business model or thing you are doing. If you don't stop, you can't lose, right? So at one point, you're going to find that niche or that channel or that viral video that puts you through everything. And Aiden is one of the first persons that when I started the whole coaching thing and the courses, jumped on in this. And he started that channel he just told you guys about. And it blew up like in the first 1 or 2 months. And he was making good money from it. But then, yeah, you can make some mistakes and then it can all be gone again, right? But he has seen that it worked, and now he just keeps on pushing and is getting to that same point again, right?
Yeah,
So one thing like that you can take away from this for sure is don't think that your first channel is gonna be like an instant gold mine. Some people I work with do 3 channels, 4 channels, 5 channels, and then they start finding something. But just stick to the plan, make it as good as you can, and don't like keep on pushing it if it doesn't work. Know when to quit. And that's, I think you asked that, Robert, right? Like, when do you cut the channel, or you, Aiden? It's
that
something
was
I can
me.
look
Yeah.
into to making because yeah, in a lot of courses they say just keep on uploading, and at one point you will get some traction. But yeah, you don't want to do this for 6 months or 8 months without seeing money on the table, right? So yeah, just keep on pushing.
Could
And
be
that's
quite
like, what?
expensive. It gets quite expensive when you start adding it up over time. You just need to figure out when to
When to cut your
cut your
losses,
loss.
yeah. And it's hard sometimes because, like, especially your first channel, it's like your baby, right? You don't want to let it go and give it up and cut it out. So you
Yeah,
want to, like, oh, maybe if I try this it works, or maybe if I try this it works. But at one point you just got to say, okay, no, I move on to the next thing, and this will hopefully work for me. So
yeah.
yeah, thanks for sharing your motivational words, Aiden. I really appreciate it, and I'm really proud of you that you're still here, still doing it, and still pushing on with new channels, man.
Well, you've got to, haven't you? Got to
Yeah.
make it out one way or another.
Yeah. And then on the other side of the equation, we have, for example, Andy in this chat. I had a call with him last week, and he just launched his second channel in the same niche that is working for him because he was making money with that channel. And now he just decided to launch another one, and it's also already making good money.
That's
So
awesome.
once the ball is rolling, you can double down on what you have and basically kickstart the channel you already have and the new channel you made to even see progress quicker. So you have to understand, like, your learning curve is like exponential, basically. So at the start it's going to be so slow, but once you get going, then you can start like really going viral and seeing quick results.
Yeah, when you start getting a bit of results, it gets a bit easier on your mind as well.
Yeah.
So say when you're uploading a few videos and you're getting like 1 to 10 views on them, and then
Mm.
they start going up to 100, 200, 300, it makes it easier in making your content. You know you're getting results.
It's more fun because you make money. It's more fun because you can outsource it to freelancers without having to worry about the expenses, basically. And it's just, yeah, it's just more fun to see your numbers go up, right? It's
Yeah,
more
that's it.
motivating. Yeah, for
Definitely,
sure.
100%.
For sure. Thanks for sharing, Ada, man. I really appreciate it. And I
That's
think
all right, no worries.
I think that's gonna be it for the first group call, guys.
It was a good one.
Yeah. Oh wait, I think Alexander asked something. Would you use the same team for all the 4 or 5 channels? Alexander, it depends. Like, if you have one video editor, for example, he's not going to be able to handle 4 or 5 channels anyway. So you need to expand your channel. Scriptwriter can do some scripts every single day if he has the time for it. It's really situational, man. So just talk with your team, train them, and ask them how much load they can handle. Freelancers from India or Pakistan love to overpromise and underdeliver. So they often will say, I can do 5 videos in a single day or 5 scripts in a single day. And then 1 week later, you get 1 script, basically, right? So feel out what they can actually do, how much it costs, and if they keep their word, basically, right? I would like get a good team in place over the long run that you train according to your standards, basically, and have them understand what you want from your script, from your voiceover, from your video. So you don't have to train them every time again, or like make all the, or like fact check every single script or video yourself once you are running, right? So yeah, look at what volume they can handle. Hayden says, I just fired my video editor for the same reason, pretty much. Promised me one day end up with 2 per week. Yeah. So it sounds harsh, but these freelancers on Upwork and Fiverr, they are commodities, right? There's thousands of them on there. So don't get personally attached to one. Hire quick and fire fast. So if they don't keep their word, if they're not like performing to your quality standard, just cut them off and try someone else. Write down what you want from your channel, like from your scripts, from your videos. Make an like SOP sheet, you know, that you can give them. And the things, especially the things that you don't want in your scripts or your video, give them to it, give them a shot, couple videos. And if they are too slow, ask too much money, or just don't like progress in terms of the quality, then just fire them and hire someone else that will do the job for you, right? That's what I would advise doing in this situation, yeah. Perfect. Okay, guys, I think that was it. We almost filled the hour, like 5 minutes left. But if we are through the questions, I think that's it. I appreciate you all for being here. Please leave a message in Skool, like how you experienced this, how you, like if there's something else you want to see in these calls, if there's something I missed that you really want to have in these calls, like a certain topic or something that we talk about. And just any input. Don't feel be afraid to burn me down. It's the first time I'm doing this too. I want to make this as informational for you as possible. So just let me know in the Skool community. Write a little message how you experienced the first call and what you want to see on the next call. And gradually we improve over the coming weeks and months. And I hope that I can be of the best service to you guys. All right. Right. Everyone in Europe, enjoy your Sunday. For me, it's evening. I'm going to have dinner now and go to sleep. Enjoy your day. And I will see you on the next call. All right.